bright and neat. There's a chair and there's my seat. On my desk, a pencil lies next to crayons full of dyes. Books and papers stacked with care. Learning tools are everywhere. There's a ruler straight along, helps me draw my lines so strong. Scissors cut and glue will stick. Paper clips will do the trick. Highlighters in colors bold make special parts unfold. Make the special parts in my bag so snug and tight. Lives my sharpener small and bright. Compass, spins and paints mix well on my palette where they dwell. Maps and globes show land so wide. Ring binders keep my work inside. Whiteboards glow and blackboards stand, helping teachers lend a hand. Notebooks ready, pages new, filled with dreams and doodles too. Step by step we learn and grow with our tools on.